U Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba polling do hakakat neutrik risau ulaong basyan unsalet syak nong ba Delhi banyak keren bar kasorkar pedeng hadin baka Jylla Meghalaya kelas sakhi ka Kiew jengki kam khaii drok naduh bakhi ka jingiaumsnam hapo ka Jylla Manipur. Halor ka jingkiam jengki seng bahalang ya kinong di drok uni Menteri ulaong. U Presiden ke HYC udai ubadan jintep ya kaan. Pidai ban keli ke ke ba utip halor ke NDPS ne PITN DPS. La kaan jo kari ka syane ya uban syulet kem ya kibriu. Nalor kata u menteri u pentip ru baki babun ki dorbas nong menta kila pen kre ban pen kaya ki Village Defense Party VDP haka jinga kon persya ya udrok hala ke jong kisnong kitau.
We are bent upon eradicating drug menace in Meghalaya. The unfortunate thing is because of our strategic location very close to the Golden Triangle and the fact that the unrest in Manipur has led to a shift of the trade from that particular area to Meghalaya. That is a major challenge. I will be visiting the national capital briefly and make sure that the leaders in the government of India are well briefed about the seriousness and the scale of drug trafficking that is happening in the state. A lot of things is happening which may not be visible to your naked eyes, but a lot of the Varshnams are in the process of constituting VDPs. The lull that is happening is because in Shillong city proper, there are just 11 legally constituted VDPs. Most of the areas which fall under high risk zones do not have these VDPs. When they don't have them, there is no backup of the law, and most of the times they end up getting frustrated because they have to keep appearing in court. They are dragged into cases. FIRs are lodged against Rambachnams and Darbachnams. So all of that will be substantially reduced once we have the VDP in place, because it is a legal framework backed up by the law and which works in tandem with the police department. Well, the president of the HYC himself has a legal background. You should ask him. Ask him what does he know about NDPS, about PITS NDPS, whether the law of the land allows him to go and catch hold of people. Ask that lawyer. We are here to uphold the law. And that is our primary objective and concern as a government and as lawmakers. Now, when you do anything that contravenes or goes against the primacy of law, your activity becomes illegal. So you might just grab headlines, but it doesn't make any difference at the field level. You make news for a couple of days, but then whatever you do will not stand the scrutiny of the court, and therefore it is self-defeating. All I can say is that if you go through the NDPS, any person who seizes, say, drugs or narcotics, and the narcotics are in his possession, he becomes the one who has to explain why the drugs are in his custody. That's the law of the land. So it's very clear, which is why we are trying to amplify the ambit of our operation. You will realize this, that it is for the first time that the Department of Social Welfare has stepped into this particular space where we have gone proactive on the anti-narcotics campaign. Earlier, it was just the police department. Now we have the Dream Mission headed by Chief Minister. It shows the level of our seriousness, and we would like to do things in a way that we have the protection of the laws of the land so that we are not caught on the wrong side of the law. They are aware, in fact, which is why now the ANTF is being strengthened. The Dream Mission now will have Mr. F.G. Kharshi, retired IPS, as mission director. So we are making a lot of moves to ensure that we are able to first reduce and then eradicate.